Hi, this is Laura Folker. We're here with the Digital Health Summit live studio on the show floor at CES 2020. And joining us today is Rob Flippo, CEO of MobileHelp. Thank you for joining us, Rob.
Thank you, Laura. Thank you for having us here today.
I also just have to add a quick note that it's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much. I was trying to ignore that.
No, you can't. So diving right in, I know you guys have been in the emergency response space for 10 years now. Tell us what you're seeing in this industry.
Yeah, so a decade ago we were here at CES launching what at the time was real innovation. It was emergency response devices that actually worked outside of your home using cellular and GPS. And surprisingly, nobody had done it up until that point. So we launched here 10 years ago. Things have been very successful, but now we're seeing it expand sort of well beyond just mobile emergency response. And we're actually looking at ways to integrate new device types into the ecosystem, whether it's wearables that we can collect data from or using voice technology to actually initiate an emergency response.
That's great, and we had the pleasure of welcoming you to our Digital Health Summit stage, the conference here at CES yesterday. So I understand you guys are moving into the healthcare space. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Absolutely. So we sort of look at the consumerization of healthcare a little bit differently than most, having been in the emergency response space. But we are, as I said, using devices to actually collect data from consumers, and now more increasingly healthcare providers for remote patient monitoring applications. So we might be doing chronic disease management through our same systems that are cellular based, but now they're collecting weight and blood pressure, pulse ox, blood glucose levels, to really manage chronic conditions through that same set of infrastructure that we put into your home.
That's incredible, and I mean that's what we love to see here at CES. Perfect place for you guys to be and to announce this exciting new division of your company. So tell us, what else have you seen on the show floor that's exciting you?
Well, there's a lot of exciting things we've seen here, but one of the more intriguing ones is that we have automatic fall detection devices that are part of our ecosystem, but they tend to be devices that you have to wear on your person. I'm seeing an increasing number of companies who are using passive fall detection, whether it's Wi-Fi systems or actual radar systems, to detect whether somebody's fallen in their home and may be unresponsive without having to wear any kind of device. So I'm super excited to see how those technologies progress and maybe integrate them into our system.
It's just great to be here and learn more about what's going on in the world of healthcare technology. So thank you again for joining us. And with that, signing off, this is Laura Folker, Digital Health Summit live studio at CES 2020.